Hey guys, it's Haley and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an absolutely exciting one because I have been getting, honestly lately, I have been getting so many questions as to like, how are you whitening your teeth? How do you get your teeth so white? What do you do? Etc. Your teeth are so pretty. And honestly, that is like my #1 compliment. Honestly, the #1 compliment I could get is like, your winged liner looks fabulous. Okay, the second best compliment you could ever give me is your teeth look so good. Your teeth look so white. I'm like, yes. I'm doing something right in the world. So today, you guys, I am so excited to bring this video to you finally. This is a product that I have been testing out since last year, probably November. The company is Smile Brilliance. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know I had a teaser as to like, I'm bringing something fun to you guys. So here's the something fun to you guys. And we are gonna be talking about how I whiten my teeth, the products I use, the steps that I take. I am such a freak about my teeth. Teeth are so important to me. I think that your teeth and your smile say the most about you in a first impression when people see you right off the bat. I brush twice a day, I floss, I do everything possible on this entire planet. I literally have flossers in my car, you know, the little like on-the-go flossers in my car in the center console. So keeping my teeth white is something that is very, very like, I feel strongly about it. I haven't done any sort of whitening systems, whitening kits, whitening strips, nada, over probably the past 2 years. And it's really become noticeable to me, which makes me kind of uncomfortable, especially for the line of work that I do for one of my jobs. I am very in the public eye. I am around, you know, upwards of 17,000 people entertaining on big jumbotrons, and I do YouTube, like YouTube especially is something that like kind of like makes me uncomfortable about my teeth. So anyways, nature of my job, being very personable, talking to people all the time, having a white smile is something that I feel very strongly about. I mean, what else do I do to keep my teeth white? I don't know. Really just brushing your teeth really well and then using a whitening kit. So this is what we are talking about. This is my whitening kit system that I've been trying since probably this past November. So it's not like it's something that they just sent to me and I'm like, oh, a week later, it's fantastic, I love it, it's great, whatever. No, to be completely honest with you guys, I was very weary of this when they first reached out to me and emailed me saying, hey, we'd love to, you know, have you try our system, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, first, I was like, me? You talking to me? You want me to try your whitening kit? And it kind of came at a very, very, very convenient time. I was talking to my dentist about getting my teeth professionally whitened. I even thought about going back to Crest white strips. I am so glad I didn't do that because I cannot use white strips. They give me such sensitive teeth. It's so bad. I cannot use them. I don't use them. I have used them before, but no. No, I cannot. When I got this email, I kind of hemmed and hawed about it for a second. I wasn't like, yeah, let's do it. Yeah, free stuff, whatever. No, my teeth are something that I take so seriously. I was really concerned that this was gonna be something that maybe damaged my teeth. I hadn't really heard about the brand at first. Then I kind of looked them up, read more about the company. You know, it was started by a bunch of dental professionals who definitely have all of the knowledge on whitening teeth. Basically what they're doing is they're just cutting out the dentist. You do it yourself. You're making your own molds, you send those out, they make the trays for you, they send them back to you, you're putting in the whitening gel and you're shoving it in your mouth. You're cutting your costs by extreme amounts because professional whitening or getting trays made by your dentist is probably gonna cost you well over $500. This is nowhere near that cost, so that's the best part about it, honestly, in my opinion. So let's roll right into the whole entire demo portion of this video, because you need to see this. All right, guys, so let's really just get into this. When you order yours, you're probably gonna get something that looks just like this. They give you 3 bases and 3 catalysts, as you can see right here. You only are gonna need 2, but they give you 1 extra one just in case you mess up. Believe me, I had that issue, I think, my first time, so no worries. In order to start making molds, they're gonna give you 2 little molds just like these. One's gonna be for the top, one's for the bottom. They're both exactly the same, so don't get too hung up on which one is supposed to go where. Each one is gonna get their own catalyst and their own base. And when you mix those 2 things together, that is going to create the base that you're gonna create your mold out of. They give you 3 whitening syringes and 3 desensitizing syringes. For me, I have extremely sensitive teeth, as I've mentioned, so they give you 3 desensitizing and 3 whitening gels, so you're gonna need both. You're gonna find a pre-labeled, mine obviously isn't because I've already done mine, but this will be pre-labeled so that once you're done making your molds, you put them in here and you ship them off, and it's really easy that way. You just self-seal and just take it to the mailbox. Also down here, they give you an instruction guide as to what you're gonna need to do in case this video isn't quite what you wanted it to be, but I swear you guys, I'm doing my best. Okay, to start off, what you're definitely gonna wanna do is brush and floss your teeth very well. You don't wanna do this with dirty teeth, that's gross, just don't do it. So the next thing we're gonna do is mix the catalyst and the base paste. All you're gonna do is you're gonna roll each one into a ball, mashing them together for a minute, basically until all of the color is mixed together to give you a lighter shade. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's gonna look something like that, and now you're gonna roll it and then take your very first mold right here and go ahead and pop that inside. It doesn't have to be, you know, the most impressive looking thing, but just like that. Basically what you're gonna do is you're just going to press it with your fingers. Do not bite down on this. You wanna press deep enough just so that the teeth and the material flow just over the gum line, and hold it there for 2 to 3 minutes. Then what you're gonna do is go ahead and do the exact same thing for the bottom tray. You definitely need to do these separately. Do not create 2 molds at the same time because it's immediately gonna start getting hard as soon as it hits the air, as soon as you kind of create this paste. So once you're done with both impressions and both impressions are made, take them out of your mouth very gently, just kind of wiggle them out and let them sit for 30 minutes. And then once 30 minutes is up, rinse them under some cool water and they will harden. Once everything is dried and you're ready to mail them off, you're gonna take your molds with your impressions and put them inside here, just like so. And make sure you have fully filled out your consent card. They will not do your molds without it. So fill all the information out and ship it in with the molds, and that's it. So once you're all done with the molds and you've shipped them off, this is what you're gonna be receiving back in the mail. Your own little throwback to when we all had braces and got retainers, unless you were blessed and didn't need them. Lucky you. These are my molds right here. Now's the fun part. Now we can start whitening our teeth. You're gonna whip out one of your teeth whitening gels. These are the ones in the orange packet. This is what the syringe is going to look like. All you're gonna do, twist off the cap. So I'm gonna whip this gel on the whole entire front part of that tray so that when it hits my mouth, all of the gel is going onto the very front parts of my teeth. Just do a little line, and then, oh, definitely a very, okay, I'm like looking at you guys now, a very good tip. If you have sensitive gums like myself, not only do we have the desensitizing gel, but I highly suggest putting Vaseline on the very tips of your gums right there. It's protecting your gums. I'm not gonna lie, one time I did it, I had a very minor amount of bleeding on one of the gums. To be honest with you, I wasn't really surprised. I have such sensitive teeth and such sensitive gums. So go ahead and do that if you're kind of the same as me. And then you just pop these guys in really easily. So as you can tell, like, you don't sound really weird and they're not amazingly noticeable. So you can go about your day, do whatever you want. When I do mine, I do it at night. I know they suggest anywhere between 1 and 3 hours. The very first time I tried this, I did it only for 30 minutes maybe, and then I kind of worked my way up. So now when I do it, usually leaving it on a max of an hour or so. Honestly, I think my teeth got whiter in that one little application that we just did. Now that we are done with the whitening portion, if you guys do get the desensitizing gels in this purple package, I highly suggest doing it immediately after you whiten. Every single time that I do, I've noticed that it really does help with the sensitivity that I have. I know that it seems like a lot, believe me, I don't like very involved processes of things, but it's 100% worth it, 110% worth it. I have been so impressed with the results that I have gotten from this whitening kit. I am just, I don't want to stop. I'm concerned when I run out of my whitening gels. Like I said, Smile Brilliant has been so gracious. We are teaming up to bring you guys a little giveaway. So if you were curious, like, yes, that's something that I need, because honestly, we are gonna be doing a giveaway for one of you guys, one of my subscribers. I will insert all of the jazz as far as how to enter the giveaway in my description box down below. So make sure you guys check that out if you're interested in entering the giveaway. Unfortunately, I can't give away like a million kits because I literally wish I could give every single one of my subscribers a kit, but I can't. However, I believe they are being so kind as to give me some sort of discount code so that you can use that on their website on whatever you want to purchase. I will also insert the discount code right here in my video, so use the discount code. I'm pretty sure it is a commission affiliate code, so if you're weird about those kinds of things, don't do it. I don't care, but I still would suggest going onto their website, but I'm just telling you, if you use the code, you're getting a discount, or don't. I don't care. So yeah, you guys, that really completes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This is just what I have been doing to keep my teeth super white, and that's it. So I will talk to you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.